The market structure refers to the market price movement pattern represented by swing highs and low on charts. A lot of traders use market structure as a trend following tool to analyze the market, whatever in a bullish or bearish trend or somewhere in between. This approach is known as a price action analysis. We have three basic trends here that we should recognize easily. The first example is an example of a bullish trend. It consists of lower high and lower low, and creates higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and so on. It breaks the structure higher than it does every time, so it is a bullish trend. The second trend is bearish. It consists of a higher low, lower high, lower low, and lower high, lower low, and lower high, and so on. He breaks the lower structure from it every time, and it shows us that he is in a bearish trend. The third trend is a range. It's when the price don't make new highs or low, it's in the same area. So as you can see here, there's a downtrend, creates higher low, then it goes up creating a lower high, then it breaks down once more, which creates the lower low, then it goes up again, and it creates a lower high. After that, it breaks the lowest one again. This creates a lower low, and as you can see here, it breaks the lower high with this increase, and that is what creates this higher high for us. After this increase, it continues the journey of an uptrend, creates a higher low, and continues to climb up and creates a higher high because it also broke the last high. Again, breaking the last high, a higher high. After that, as you can see, a decline began, caused the lower low because it broke the higher low. After that, it made a rise and created a lower high. Then it went below the lower low again and created another lower low. You can also see the break of the structure this way. So we have this break, and then we have another break to the downside. After that, we have an uptrend. So this is break. This is our first. This is our second break. And this is the third one. Okay, now we mark again the downtrend. We have two. Okay, so that's it. I think it's enough for now. This break is called the BOSS, break of structure. In the next lesson, I will explain about it. A break of structure helps traders identify potential reversal. By understanding the break of structure, traders can anticipate potential price movement and take positions accordingly. There are two main ways to break of structure: a continuation break, it's called BOSS, and a reversal break, which we refer to as a change of character, CHOC. This example shows a series of higher highs and higher lows, indicating an uptrend. Every time a high is broken, the price prints an HH, pull back and prints an HL, then continues to break the high. We label each break as BOSS to show that buyers are still in power and the price increases. So as you can see here, there is a return of a bullish uptrend, causes the structure to break over and over again. This break is called BOSS, break of structure. You will need to spot it breaks easily. It sounds very easy, but the graph doesn't always look that clean and organized. Sometimes it's really messy and hard to analyze. You should practice it as much as possible. This is the most important part of analysis. This is the beginning of everything. I wanted to show you another example of BOSS. Of course, it applies to both sides, both uptrend and downtrend. Here too, there is a return of the trend. He breaks it again and again, creates a downtrend from each BOSS break. A change of character happens when the structure breaks in the other direction. There was a price increase, but a new low showed sellers' power. When the last low was broken, a change of character occurred. I wanted to show you guys the example for CHOC. Let's see if there is a good example here. So as you can see, there is an uptrend. Just a second, I want to mark for you so that it will be easy for you to see. Our trend is changing. 1 second, I will mark all the others. Boss, 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 okay. And this is our chalk. So as you can see, the chalk was created because the last structure was broke downwards into the whole downtrend. And you can also see that it continues to go down. This shows us that the sellers are in control. Of course, the whole trend is also down, but we will progress slowly in the material, so you will understand everything. I wanted to show you another example of a downtrend as well. So I mark this downtrend. As you can see here, we mark the change of character, and we also mark the boss. And that's it basically. I just wanted to show you how it looked like in a downtrend.